Hi students, welcome to my channel Learn with GBR Vlogs. So far, we have learnt the like fractions, unlike fractions and comparison fractions, such as comparison of like fractions and comparison of unlike fractions. And here some problems related to the comparison of fractions. Now let us see something more regarding the fractions, that is the addition and subtraction of fractions. Addition and subtraction of fractions. So first let learn the addition of fractions, then subtraction of fractions. Addition and subtraction of fractions. First learn the addition of fractions. Now, for example, Radha has an apple. Radha has an apple. She divided the apple into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. Radha has an apple. She divided into 4 equal parts, and two parts she has given to her friend Lata. 2 parts she has given to her friend Lata, and she gave 2 equal parts to another friend Rama. Radha has an apple. She divided into 4 equal parts. 2 equal parts given to her friend Lata, and another 2 parts given to her another friend Rama. Then how to add the fraction of the apple got by Lata and another friend is Rama individually. Now, what is the total part of apple given to the 2 friends, Lata and Rama? So, then we need to add the 2 fractions. These 2 fractions. So, there are some situations in our day-to-day life. So, where we can add fractions and where we can subtract the fractions. Okay? For example, let us take a rectangle which is divided into 5 equal parts. So, out of 5 equal parts, 2 parts are shaded. In this, 2 parts are shaded out of 5 equal parts. So, this represents 2 by 5. This out of not shaded part is 3 by 5. Here shaded part is 2 by 5, unshaded part is 3 by 5. So, when we write here 3 by 5, so when the denominators are equal here, so then we add the numerators first. We add these 2 fractions. Here 2 denominators are equal. So then we add the numerators, that is 2 and 3. Here 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5, that is equal to 2 by 5. We add the numerators keeping the same denominator. 2 plus 3, it is equal to 5. 5 by 5. Even when we add the fractions and when subtract the fractions, subtract means Here 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. It is equal to, here two denominators are equal, so you subtract the numerators. 3 minus 2, keeping the same denominator. 3 minus 2 is 1, denominator is 5. So when the fractions are like fractions, means their denominators are equal, so then we can simplify both numerators. Okay, so when the denominators are equal, so we can simply add the numerators keeping the same denominator, and we can subtract the numerators keeping the same denominator. Okay, now another example. For example, 2 by 7 plus 3 by 7. So here also the denominators are equal when the numerators is adding, that is equal to same keeping the denominator. 2 plus 3, same denominator is 7. So 2 plus 3, it is equal to 5 by 7. Another example, 5 by 11 and 4 minus 4 by 11. Here also the denominators are equal, so we subtract the numerators simply. That is 5 minus 4, keeping the same denominator, that is 11. 5 minus 4 is 1 by 11. Okay. Now add or subtract the fractions, so in which the denominators are not equal, means the fractions are unlike fraction. Now let us take an example. Here 5 by 6 plus 7 by 9. Here the denominators are not equal, means they are unlike fractions. So here we cannot add the numerators simply. So then first we have to make the denominators are equal, means we have to convert the fractions into like fractions. First we find the LCM of the denominators, that is 6 and 9. LCM of the denominators 6 and 9 is 6, 9. First you take 3 table, 3 2s, 3 3s. LCM is the product of the prime factors, that is 3 into 2 into 3, it is equal to 18. So LCM of 6 and 9 is 18. So 5 by 6, it is equal to, now 6 how many times make the 18? That is 3 times. So we multiply both numerator and denominator by 3, that is 5 into 3 by 6 into 3 plus 7 by 9. Now 9 how many times we get 18? That is 2 times. So we multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. 7 into 2 by 9 into 2. We get 5 into 3, it is 15. 6 into 3, 18. Plus 7 to the 14. 9 to the 18. Here the denominators are equal. So we can add simply numerators keeping the same denominator. That is equal to 15 plus 14 by 18. That is equal to 15 plus 14. 29 by 18. Here the improper fraction into change the mixed fraction. That is 29, 18. 18 ones 18. 11. 11 by 18. This is the mixed fraction. That is equal to 1, 11 by 18. Okay, in this way we find the additions with different denominators. Okay. Okay students, if you like this video, like, share and comment. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you friends.